10 foods that kill your brain. Eating the right foods is crucial for maintaining overall health and keeping our brain healthy. However, some foods can have a negative impact on our brain's health. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 foods that can be harmful to our brain and should be avoided or consumed in moderation. Trans fats. Trans fats are found in foods such as baked goods, fried foods, and processed snacks. They can lead to inflammation in the brain and are associated with an increased risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Refined carbohydrates. Foods such as pastries, white bread, and pasta are high in refined carbohydrates. They can cause blood sugar to rise and lead to brain fog and cognitive decline. Processed meats. Processed meats such as sausages, bacon, and deli meats are high in sodium and preservatives. They can lead to inflammation in the brain and have been linked to an increased risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners such as aspartame and saccharin have been linked to an increased risk of cognitive decline and memory loss. High sugar foods. Foods high in sugar such as candy, pastries, and sugary drinks can lead to inflammation in the brain and have been linked to an increased risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Fried foods. Fried foods are high in saturated fats and can lead to inflammation in the brain and an increased risk of cognitive decline. Alcohol. Consuming excessive amounts of alcohol can lead to brain damage and an increased risk of cognitive decline and dementia. High mercury fish. Fish such as swordfish, tuna, and shark can contain high levels of mercury, which can be harmful to the brain. Unfermented soy products. Unfermented soy products such as soy protein isolate and soy milk can contain phytoestrogens that can negatively impact cognitive function. Gluten-containing foods. Some people with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease may experience neurological symptoms such as brain fog, depression, and anxiety after consuming gluten-containing foods. It's important to note that some of these foods can be consumed in moderation, but it's always best to consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about your brain health. Eating a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help keep your brain healthy and functioning at its best.